Welcome to Review Lab. The best tabletop washing machine is probably one of the most convenient and space-saving solutions for modern living, especially for those in apartments, dorm rooms, or even RVs, offering a practical alternative to traditional laundry methods without compromising on cleanliness. These compact yet powerful devices are designed to handle small loads efficiently, making laundry day less of a chore and more of a breeze, fitting seamlessly into any small living space. Number 5. Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. Introducing the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine, your perfect solution for clean clothes in any setting. Its dual-function design lets you wash and spin simultaneously, saving you valuable time. Despite its compact size, this portable washer packs a punch with a powerful motor and water-efficient design. It handles up to 13 pounds of laundry, ensuring your clothes come out sparkling clean. Designed for modern living, it features separate timers for washing and spinning, allowing you to customize your laundry cycles. Its lightweight and space-saving design makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, and even RVs. Using it is as simple as adding clothes, water, and pressing start. Its innovative water flow and large pulsates provide a better cleaning effect with less twisting of your garments. Crafted with a durable plastic body, this machine is rust-proof and built to last. Enjoy quiet, neat operation while saving energy with its low power consumption. Whether you're camping, living in a dorm, or have limited space, this washer is your go-to. Its built-in gravity drain makes disposal easy, offering convenience wherever you are. What we like? If you need to do laundry quickly and efficiently, this is the one for you. Its twin tub design allows you to wash and spin simultaneously, saving you precious time. If you're looking for a solution that can handle decent loads for camping, dorms, or apartments, this machine offers a great balance of capacity and speed. What people say. The machine is compact and easy to store. It has a good capacity for small loads. The spin cycle is effective at removing excess water. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU, Foot Portable Washer BPWM09W. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer, designed for your home or apartment. It offers a generous 6.6 pounds capacity to handle your laundry needs with ease. Choose from 5 distinct wash cycles: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak. This ensures the perfect wash for any fabric type. This machine is optimized for cold water washing, offering 3 water level choices for small, medium, and large loads. It efficiently cleans up to 6.6 pounds of laundry. The 0.9 cubic feet wash tub is crafted from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel. Its transparent lid allows you to monitor the wash progress. Enjoy peace of mind with auto unbalance detection, auto shut-off, and child lock protection. It ensures safe and efficient operation every time. Easily connect and disconnect this washer thanks to the included sink adapter and drain hose. Its roller wheels and side handles make transport a breeze. What we like? For those who have very limited space and primarily use cold water for their laundry, this is a fantastic option. Its compact design makes it easy to store and move, perfect for small apartments or RVs. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss machine for small loads and prefer cold water washing, this one fits the bill. What people say. This compact washing machine is perfect for small apartments, easily fitting on a countertop. It has a surprisingly large capacity for its size, handling a decent load of laundry. The spin cycle is efficient, leaving clothes nearly dry and reducing drying time. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer BPWM16W. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer, designed to handle up to 11 pounds of laundry. It offers 6 versatile wash cycles, perfect for everything from heavy loads to delicate items and even baby clothes. This efficient machine is designed for high-efficiency detergents and cold water use, featuring a built-in, easy-to-clean lint filter. It's gentle enough for your most sensitive garments. Take full control of your laundry with 3 water level choices and 3 temperature settings: hot, warm, and cold. You can even set a delay start for up to 24 hours to fit your schedule. The spacious 1.7 cubic feet stainless steel tub is built to last, resisting rust and corrosion. Its transparent lid lets you monitor the wash progress with ease. Enjoy peace of mind with advanced features like auto unbalance detection for optimal performance, auto shut-off safety, and child lock protection. Moving this washer is a breeze thanks to its integrated rollers and side handles. It also comes with all the necessary adapters and hoses for quick setup and drainage. What we like? If you need a bit more capacity and flexibility with water temperatures, consider this model. It can handle larger loads than some other compact options and offers both hot and cold water settings, plus a convenient delay start feature. This is ideal for small families or individuals who want more control over their laundry cycles without a full-sized machine. What people say. This washing machine is very compact and fits perfectly on my countertop. It has multiple wash cycles to choose from, including a quick wash option that's great for small loads. The spin cycle is surprisingly powerful, leaving clothes almost dry. Number 2. WonderWash Portable Washing Machine. Introducing the WonderWash, your perfect laundry solution for small spaces. It's a compact, non-electric washer designed for apartments, RVs, and more. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this washer is built to last. Its portable and compact design makes it ideal for dorms, condos, and even camping trips. Featuring a stylish retro design, it not only cleans your laundry but also adds a touch of vintage charm to your space. It's perfect for small delicates and everyday items. This model boasts a new patent-pending EZ lid lever for effortless operation. It's a lightweight, hand-powered solution that makes laundry a breeze. Choose from our delightful retro colors to match your style. It's a practical and attractive addition to any home. We stand by the quality of our product with a 3-year warranty. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your laundry experience is covered. What we like? If you're looking for an eco-friendly and exercise-friendly laundry solution, this manual washer is perfect. It requires no electricity, making it ideal for off-grid living, camping, or simply for those who want to reduce their energy consumption. If you like the idea of a simple, retro design and don't mind a little manual effort for small loads of delicates or baby clothes, this is a unique choice. What people say. This compact washing machine is perfect for small apartments or dorm rooms, as it doesn't take up much space. The machine has a surprisingly large capacity for its size, easily fitting a few days' worth of clothes. It's very quiet during operation, making it ideal for use at any time without disturbing others. Number 1. VCJ Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. Introducing the VCJ Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine, your solution for clean clothes wherever life takes you. Its compact design makes laundry day a breeze, even in small spaces. Featuring a twin tub design, this machine lets you wash and spin dry loads at the same time. This dual function significantly cuts down your laundry time, allowing you to get back to your day faster. Equipped with a powerful 1,300 revolutions per minute motor, it tackles tough stains and large loads with ease. You can watch the entire process through the transparent window, ensuring a thorough yet gentle clean. Forget drainage worries. This washer comes with an upgraded, longer drain hose and a built-in pump. You can easily drain water to a higher position or any convenient spot, giving you ultimate flexibility. With separate timers for washing and spinning, you have full control over your laundry cycles. This efficient design not only saves you time but also conserves water and energy, making it an economical choice. Its space-saving and lightweight design makes it ideal for apartments, RVs, dorms, and even camping trips. No installation is required, simply plug it in and start washing. What we like? For those who need to tackle larger laundry loads in a compact space, this twin tub washer is a strong contender. Its impressive 28 pounds capacity and built-in drain pump with an extended hose make it incredibly convenient for apartments, RVs, or dorms. If you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-drain solution for bigger family washes, this machine offers great value. What people say. The compact size is perfect for small apartments, and it's surprisingly quiet during operation. It handles small loads efficiently, making it ideal for delicates and everyday essentials. The spin cycle leaves clothes nearly dry. The user-friendly controls are easy to understand and operate, even for first-time users. It's a great space-saving solution. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.